Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Sentry to Retool for error monitoring step by step clearly. First, log in to your Sentry account. Navigate to the project's dashboard. Select the project you want to connect to Retool. In the project settings, locate the client keys section. Copy your DSN, which is the data source name. Now, open your Retool application. Create a new resource by clicking on the Resources tab. Select New and then choose REST API as your resource type. In the resource configuration, enter a name for your Sentry resource. In the URL field, paste your Sentry DSN. Set the authentication method to none since Sentry doesn't require authentication for this connection. Next, scroll down and click on Save. Now, go to the editor where you build your Retool application. Add a new button to your workspace. In the button configuration, go to the Actions section. Choose Make a REST API call from the action options. Select your newly created Sentry resource. In the endpoint field, enter /API/store/. Set the request type to POST. In the body configuration, you'll need to format your error data in JSON. Add the necessary fields such as message, level, and logger. To finalize, click Save on the button configuration. Now, go to Preview mode in Retool to test the button. Click the button to trigger the error monitoring. Return to your Sentry dashboard to verify that the error has been logged. You'll see your error details and can monitor performance and logs. Your connection between Sentry and Retool is now complete. You can customize error details further by adding more context in the JSON body. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.